Hey guys, it's Josh Sternberg coming at you from Sternberg Law Group. If you've seen my past videos, this is the first video from our new office. We have a new office that's overlooking the Pacific Ocean here in Los Angeles, so we're really excited about that. Now for this video, what I wanted to talk about is California is still giving away free money. We have proof of it. We have clients from all different walks of life who have been approved for this program. So what do I mean by all different walks of life? I have clients who have been approved with low income, middle income, and even sometimes high income. Wait to the end of this video because we'll talk about income requirements in just a second. I have clients from all over California, San Diego County, Los Angeles County, Kern County, all the way up north, even some Inland Empire clients. The nice thing about this, other than the fact that the money is free, is it's a pretty streamlined process. California is doing a really nice job, even to the point where I had a question that I needed answered for one of my clients recently, and I picked up the phone and I called their hotline, their help hotline, and I was able to speak to somebody in less than 5 minutes. Very nice woman who was able to answer my question. I had a bit of a detailed question, and when I had the question, I also wanted to know where I could see that. So she gave me the answer and then pointed me to where I could actually see the answer. The question I had, just in case anybody else is thinking about this, is whether or not the grant could also be used for a second mortgage, which is called a second deed of trust in California. And the answer, unfortunately, is no. Money that California is giving is only for the purpose of first mortgages. So if you're delinquent on your second mortgage, this is not a program for you. It's only a program for you if this is your first mortgage. So a couple things to remember for those that are interested in applying. First of all, A, you can apply on your own. Second, it's up to $80,000. Okay, so what does that mean? That means if you're severely delinquent, if you're already behind $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, do not wait, because it takes a couple months to get approved, and you don't want your arrears to surpass the $80,000 mark, or else it's very difficult to find approval, because it is not an easy landscape to navigate if you're trying to get a servicer to say, hey, even though you're behind $90,000, we'll take $80,000 from the government and we'll take $10,000 from you. Okay, unfortunately, that's not an easy thing to do, and we don't really see that happening very often. So just remember, there's the $80,000 cap. Another thing that I want you to remember, so first, you have to have a COVID-related hardship, financial hardship that you can attest to. That's pretty straightforward. Just about everybody can attest to that. Second is your combined household income has to be less than 150% of your county. So what does that mean? If the median household income is $100,000 for your county in California, your income cannot be more than 150% of that number. So your income couldn't be more than $150,000. So for a household of two, so two working individuals, San Diego County, the 150%, not the medium, the 150% medium, so the higher number that you need to qualify under, for San Diego County is $156,150. For Los Angeles County, it's $142,950. And for Kern County homeowners, it's $93,500. Okay, it's really easy to find these numbers on their website. You scroll down to eligibility and you can click, you can select your county, you can collect the household number of people who are income earners in your home above the age of 18, and it will kick these numbers out to you. So if you're not in one of those three counties, you can do it yourself. A couple other things to be made aware of. You should not have $20,000 more of the money that you're requesting. Okay, so if you're requesting 50 grand, do not have $70,000 in your bank, because that's $20,000 more of what you are requesting. Note though, this doesn't include retirement accounts. So retirement accounts are to the side. You could have a funded $100,000, $200,000 401k. It will not negatively impact what you're going through. Just in your regular checking and savings, your liquid money that you guys are using, make sure that it's not more than $20,000 of what you're asking for. And this one's a little bit tricky, so I'll take a second and explain it. There are things called conforming loan amounts. And what does that mean? It means when you got your loan, it had to be less than a jumbo loan. So the old number used to be something like $417,000. So if your loan amount at the time you got the loan, not today, but when your loan originated, if your loan amount was more than the conforming loan amounts, and was considered a jumbo loan, you're not going to get approved because you don't qualify for this program. So specifically, the government is giving money to people who at their loan origination did not have a jumbo loan. Okay, let me read it to you. The original unpaid principal balance of the homeowner's primary mortgage loan at the time of origination could not be greater than the conforming loan limits. These loan limits are determined under the provisions of the Housing and Economic Recovery Act of 2008 in effect at the time of origination. When you go on this website, you can check what your loan limit amount had to be, because if you got your loan in 2008 or 2010 or 2015 or 2018, the loan limits might be different. So when you're checking your eligibility on this website, the same way you can check your household income eligibility, you can also check your loan limit eligibility. One more point that I'll leave you with is make sure that your loan servicer participates in this program. If you have a small loan servicer, if you have a private loan, there's a possibility that they're not participating in this program. Okay, so you can also check on the website for participating loan servicers. All right, I hope this helps everybody. Get your applications in quick. Money is running out because they are giving it out very quickly. So don't wait. This is something that you can get done in one sitting on the internet. If you need assistance, call a friend, call a family member, or you can even call us, call an attorney, okay? Again, my name is Josh Sternberg from Sternberg Law Group. I hope that this helps. Thank you, everyone.